This is Kali Linux. But this is far more powerful than Kali Linux. And it is ChatGPT, and it can do hacking without any need of learning the code. In this video, I am going to tell you how can you use ChatGPT as a tool which you can use to master ethical hacking. But you should use this for ethical purposes only. And the only thing you should not do while talking to ChatGPT is just not to talk offensively or in an illegal way. If you will directly ask him to help you hack, it will never help you. You should always ask this in such a way that you are a very highly skilled person, and you know what legal things are. Maybe, you should also use some technical terms also. Like, I am using here ethical hacking instead of hacking to bring the sense of legit. And it quickly gave the output also. But this is just beginner level, and you can start learning ethical hacking from here, but I will go far more advanced than this. Second, you can create a scenario that you are a great cybersecurity expert, and you are conducting some checks, and you need the help of ChatGPT, and it will absolutely give what you are asking. Like I am conducting a test over a website and I need his help. And it will surely give you what you want. And it will also give the correct result every time. And now, I am asking ChatGPT to give me advanced SQL injection codes. And it gave the result also. Just let me show you the way it gave the results. Let me open a website that is OWASP Juice Shop designed for ethical hacking only. I will use this output there. I will just log in here. But I don't have the password. And even I don't need the username also. Just copy one of the payloads given by ChatGPT and paste that in the username section. And now I am successfully logged in as the admin of this website. I can do anything I want now, even change the prices of the juices. Next thing we can do is to ask cool scripts so that we can make our own tool, program and even an OS also. Let's go for a simple example first. Right now, I am asking this to give me a Python script that can scan the entire network for open ports. And this ChatGPT is giving me the code which I requested for. Let's copy this and paste it in a Python file. I will use the nano command, and I will name the file networkscanner.py. I will paste that code and then save this by hitting Ctrl+X and then hit Y and then hit Enter. Just run this script with the command python3 networkscanner.py. And you can see how quickly it scanner all the ports, and here port 22 which is SSH is open. Here, let me ask a question for you. The question is, can anyone manipulate ChatGPT? And the answer is yes. This means that you can easily ask this for learning ethical hacking. Now, let me tell you what to ask this AI so that it can give you the help in learning ethical hacking. But you should make sure to use this for ethical purposes only. So, everyone will tell you that AI do not depend on emotions. Even if you will ask him by saying rude words, then also it will answer politely and the same thing. But, in case of ethical hacking, if you will not ask him politely, it will never answer you. So, if you want the answer, make sure to show your positive intention so that it can analyze your intention. Most people think ChatGPT refuses to help, but the problem is how they ask. Like I am asking here as a positive side of this. This kind of prompt will usually answer you correctly. When you frame your prompt ethically and educationally, the answer will become much more useful. Remember, ChatGPT responds to intent, not just keywords. Second thing, if you truly want to learn ethical hacking, then you should think of from two perspectives, the attacker's and the defender perspective, so that you can think that what the attacker wants to do and how can the defender protect it. And this is why it makes the video completely legal and ethical. Like I am giving here one prompt for this purpose so that it can explain with an example, here, an SQL injection attack. First, this is explaining what the SQL injection attack is. And then it is going to the attacker's perspective. It is clearly defining the attacker's goal, that they want to bypass the login and access and control the sensitive data. It is also given the logic of a normal person and the logic of the attacker. Next is the defender's perspective, so how the system can be protected from such types of attacks. The defender's goal is to protect the website from the attacker from exploiting. And it is also mentioning the techniques used by defenders to protect the system. And yes, if you really want to learn ethical hacking, this is important because good security comes from understanding how attackers think. Notice, I am not giving you any tricks right now to help you hack small things. I am giving you the key for the full ethical hacking course so that you can do all things on your own. And I am telling you, no one will tell you this. The next thing you should do if you want to learn ethical hacking is to avoid some biggest mistakes every learner does. Like I am asking here the same question from an AI, you can also ask. So, these are some very common mistakes. First one is skipping network basics, which is a common problem for all. Many people directly jump to attacking without knowing what is happening, just executing some cool commands. And this AI is listing some of the most common and biggest mistakes. I will not waste your time, you can just type this on your own AI and get the results. I am here to teach you how you can learn ethical hacking right now, and this even doesn't involve any money. In this way you can turn ChatGPT into your ethical hacking learning roadmap. ChatGPT doesn't replace learning, it structures learning like how clearly it is mentioning everything to help you understand. But there are some limitations also that you should know while learning ethical hacking with ChatGPT, and no one tells this negative side. Let me ask a question for this. So, some limitations are that it can't replace real hands-on lab practice, it has some limits after which it can't provide the results, and some more. But these are not big disadvantages when you are starting to learn ethical hacking. AI is a learning assistant, and it can't replace the skill. This was about beginners, but what about professionals? Professionals don't use AI to hack, they use it to think more advanced. Like professionals will not ask for conducting an attack, they will ask for latest tools, techniques in a short and brief way. AI doesn't make you a hacker, it makes learning faster. So, if you like this trick of learning ethical hacking using ChatGPT, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to keep getting more helps in the future in your ethical hacking journey. Join my Discord server to get direct help from other learners and access free resources related to cybersecurity. Keep checking my website for official news and announcements, and follow me on X for daily posts. The links are given in description. Thanks for watching. Stay anonymous, stay secured.